breakfast very special.
All right, thanks, John. Yeah, Melissa's back here now with a recipe for Southwestern Breakfast Pizza. This looks great, really, for any time of the day, right?
Absolutely. It's been a hit so far in my house. So.
Okay, so is it your own recipe?
Sure is. So it's just I like this recipe because you can be really flexible with it. So whatever you like on your pizza, veggies, just meat, whatever you can kind of do. So basically, we're going to start with we did a store-bought crust just because if we had lots of time, we'd sure make one homemade. But who has time anymore? So. And then the sauce is just a cream cheese, salsa, and pepper jack cheese. Kind of keep it at room temperature and spread it on. So next, we're going to go ahead and throw on the eggs and the chilies. So I don't know if you want to do that. You want me to?
So just kind of spread it on?
Yep, just throw her on there.
All right. Like that? And then just kind of spread it around?
Yep, go ahead and spread it around. And then we're going to go ahead and throw on the bacon and the sausage as well. So sausage and bacon.
Just kind of sprinkle that on top.
Yes.
All right.
So if you're a meat lover, should be good.
Okay, and just keep adding, right?
Just keep adding, yep.
As much as you
kind of like breakfast nachos.
Yeah, okay, cool.
And then, of course, we're going to throw actually the cheese on top next.
Okay.
So more cheese. So we're up to probably two servings of cheese for the day.
Right.
So you only need one more after this, which is good.
Okay.
Then actually we're going to throw it in the oven to heat up again for about 10 minutes. Let the cheese kind of melt, warm up everything. Once it comes out, then you can throw on some green onion and cilantro.
You want me to do it now?
You can sure throw it on now. Yep.
Okay. I suppose you could put it on earlier too, right?
You could if you would like, yes. Okay. So like I said, if you want to throw some black beans on here, if you like onion, pepper, all that good stuff. So throw it in the oven. It's going to come out looking like that right there.
Ooh, yummy. I'm going to give this a try. Great. So is this a hit in your home? People like this?
It is a hit, yes. It's we just had it for Easter brunch, actually. So took it for the whole extended family, and they were impressed.
Great. This would be good for tailgating, too.
Absolutely. Keep it warm, easy to transport.
Very good. I like it. And so if folks would like this recipe, we will have it on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, and then you guys can share it.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you. Back